Hello and welcome to Tovi. This tutorial is going to be about the averaging toolkit. The averaging toolkit is fairly straightforward. As we go into our toolbox here, we can find the averaging variables. And now on this screen we're presented with variables which have more than one measurement in replicate here, and you are perhaps wanting to average the values into a single value. So for example, we have soil heat flux, our soil water content, a couple air temperatures, a couple soil temperatures, and so on. So what we're going to do is, for example, use the soil heat flux. We're given the table of the variables that are from our EdiPro file. We have 3 of these. You can see them plotted on the graph on the right. And it's pretty straightforward. If I want to average, say, soil heat flux number 2 and number 3, I click on those arrows so they're added up here and averaged together, as you can see in the chart. I can always go ahead and add the 3rd one, or I could remove any of these and get the average value that I want to use for later analysis. So when I'm done, I simply come over here and click the Done Averaging. And here I'm going to name the tag Averaged Soil Heat Flux Measurements. And that's all there is to it. And as soon as that is completed with the averaging, then you're dropped back here on this overview page. Again, we can see our nodes and the different things we've done so far. Here we just completed the averaging. And if you remember, we did that for the soil heat flux. And now if you look in, then we have a new variable that we created, our soil heat flux, here denoted by G, averaged. And that variable is now created, and you can use it for further analysis. That'll complete this particular session.